Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jamie.
What brings you here today, Jamie?
I'm here for the networking event. I work in marketing.
That's great. I'm a software developer. How long have you been in marketing?
About 5 years now. How about you? How long have you been a developer?
I've been in the field for around 3 years. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but rewarding. How about you?
I feel the same way. It's always exciting to work on new projects.
Absolutely. It's nice to meet someone with a similar mindset.
Likewise, Jamie. Let's keep in touch and maybe collaborate in the future.
That sounds like a great idea, Alex. Looking forward to it.
Hey, can I talk to you about something important?
Sure. What's on your mind?
Well, we've been spending a lot of time together lately, and I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. It's been great getting to know you better.
I've been thinking a lot, and I wanted to know if you feel the same way I do.
What do you mean?
I really like you, and I was wondering if you would like to go out with me, as more than just friends.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I like you too, but I'm a bit surprised.
I know it's a lot to take in. I've just been feeling this way for a while and thought it was time to be honest.
I appreciate your honesty. I've been thinking about it too, actually.
Really? That's a relief to hear. So, what do you think? Would you like to give it a try?
I think I would. I've always enjoyed our time together and wondered if there could be something more.
That's great. How about we go out for dinner this weekend? We can call it our first official date.
I'd love that. Let's do it.
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. I'm glad you brought it up. This could be the start of something really special.
I think so too. Here's to new beginnings.
Did you see how John reacted in the meeting today?
Yeah, I did. He really got pissed when his proposal was rejected.
I know. I didn't expect him to lose his temper like that.
Me neither. He usually stays so calm and collected.
What do you think set him off this time?
I think it was the way Mark dismissed his ideas without any consideration. That would piss anyone off.
True, but he still shouldn't have yelled like that in front of everyone.
Absolutely. It was unprofessional. He should have handled it differently.
Do you think he'll face any consequences for his outburst?
Probably. The boss seemed pretty pissed off too. There might be a meeting to address it.
I hope it gets resolved soon. The tension in the office is really high now.
Yeah, it's affecting everyone's mood. Hopefully, they can talk it out and move on.
I agree. Maybe I'll talk to John later and see if he's okay.
That sounds like a good idea. He might need someone to vent to and calm down.
Exactly. No one likes getting pissed, but it happens. We just need to support each other through it.
For sure. Let's hope things get back to normal soon. Hey, what are you up to?
Not much, just working on some homework. How about you?
I'm just taking a break from studying. It's been a long day.
I hear you. What have you been studying?
Mostly math. I have a big test coming up next week.
Oh, that sounds tough. Need any help with it?
Actually, yeah. I'm stuck on a few problems. Do you have time to go over them with me?
Sure, I can spare some time. Let's take a look.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. By the way, have you finished the history project yet?
Not yet. I've been so focused on other assignments. Have you?
I'm almost done. Just need to add a few finishing touches. Want to work on it together later?
That sounds like a good idea. We can help each other out.
Perfect. Let's meet at the library around 4 p.m.
Works for me. I'll bring my notes and we can compare.
Great. See you then, and thanks again for helping with the math problems.
No problem at all. See you at 4. Have you read that new book everyone's talking about?
Not yet. I bought it last week, but I haven't gotten around to reading it.
Oh, you really should. It's fantastic.
I know, I've just been so busy with work and other commitments.
What's been keeping you so busy?
Mostly work deadlines and some personal projects I've been trying to finish.
I get that. Sometimes it feels like there's not enough time in the day.
Exactly. I keep telling myself I'll make time for reading, but something always comes up.
Maybe you should set aside a specific time each day for it.
That's a good idea. I'll try to do that. How about you? Have you read it?
Yeah, I finished it last weekend. It's such a page-turner.
Now I'm really motivated to start. I'll try to read a few chapters tonight.
You won't regret it. Once you start, it's hard to put down.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll make sure to get around to it soon.
You look a bit tense. What's going on?
I've been on pins and needles all day, waiting for the results of my job interview.
I can understand that. When are you supposed to hear back?
They said they would call me by the end of today, but it's already 4 p.m. and no call yet.
Waiting is the worst part, isn't it? I remember feeling the same way before I got my current job.
Yeah, it's driving me crazy. I keep checking my phone every 5 minutes.
Try to stay positive. You did your best during the interview, right?
I think so. I prepared a lot and answered their questions as well as I could.
Then trust in that. Sometimes these things take a bit longer than expected.
I know, but I can't help feeling anxious. This job means a lot to me.
How about we do something to take your mind off it? Want to go grab a coffee or take a walk?
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe it will help me relax a bit.
Exactly. Plus, getting some fresh air might help you feel better. Let's go.
Thanks for being here for me. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. That's what friends are for. Let's get that coffee and try to forget about the wait for a little while.
Good plan. Hopefully, I'll get the call soon and all this will be worth it.
I don't know if I can do this. It feels like everything's falling apart.
Hey, you've got this. It may seem tough now, but it's all you've got. You can do it.
I wish I had more options. This feels like my only chance and I'm not sure if it's enough.
Sometimes, one shot is all you need. Focus on what you can control and give it your best shot.
What if I fail? I've put everything into this.
Failure is a possibility, but regretting not trying is worse. Remember, it's all you've got right now.
I guess you're right. I just need to push through and hope for the best.
Exactly. It's about resilience and believing in yourself. It's all you've got to make things happen.
Thanks for believing in me. I'll give it my all.
That's all anyone can ask for. You've got this. Hopefully it's useful, and please subscribe and see you in the next video.